Hello, Mrs. Bess here with instructions for today. First thing, don't forget to report your attendance. You're going to complete this activity. This activity is in Spanish, Spanish.com. If you didn't record your information or you don't remember, I put the information here, your username and password, in case that you need it. And what you have to do here, you just need to identify each one of these items, type the words that correspond to the items right here in the blanks, and then take your screenshot, and then you're going to submit it in the space provided below. That's right here. Then you are going to complete your quizzes. So you have quiz 3 and quiz 4 in this one form. And first thing you're going to do is you're going to type your name, and then it says using the pictures to help you tell whether the subject provided, this is the subject, the person or people. So it says whether the subject provided eats or drinks. So you have to do these things. You need to identify the subject, so you know what ending you're going to use for the verb. Then you're going to identify the item, so you can type a complete sentence, and then you have to identify the verb, if it's something to eat or something to drink. So then you can make your sentence. You use the subject I'm giving you, the verb you selected, if it's eating or drinking, and then you are going to complete the sentence with the items that you see in the pictures. So you have 5 of those sentences that you need to complete. In the part B of this, you're going to complete an email. So what I did is I divided the email in different parts. So you have only to type one answer per each. And you had 2 options. You had 2 verbs, 2 options. You need to select the verb that corresponds to this space. So for that purpose, you need to read. You need to read and follow the reading and see what will be the appropriate verb that goes here. Now the verb can go with ER at the end or IR, because it has to be conjugated. So you need to find the subject for each one of this, and then type the corresponding verb with the corresponding ending according to this person. You only type the verb, what is missing right there in the sentence. And that's all you have to do for this first part. For the quiz 4, that is the second section of this form, you are going to use gustar and encantar. So I give you the verb here, and you are going to put any of the forms that we learn. Gusta, gustan, encanta, or encantan accordingly. So you need to remember what you learn about those forms, and then put the corresponding one here. It's just to put the verb, what is missing in the line, once again, just what is missing here. You don't have to retype the whole sentence, just what is missing in that blank. So you had 10 of those. I gave you the verb. And in this one, it says you're going to write your opinions of this food. So you're going to say if you like it or if you don't like it, and you really like it, or you don't like it at all. So you can use any of the expressions you learn to talk about these 4 items that I put here, 4 foods that I put here. Okay? So you need to type complete sentences. It's right here. Start your sentence with capital, end with a period, and then you're going to use the verbs gustar or encantar. That's all you're doing for that part. Then when you finish, like if you finish your class, you have some practice. And yes, it's a lot of practice, but you don't have to do it all. It's just practice because remember we have our final exam next class. So you go here, you go to this tema 3, and it tells you what pages to do. So 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Basically, you start practicing with page 3. So you answer the questions. If you have questions about how to answer this, you just need to let me know. No. Oh, me faltó gusta. So it says answer the questions in complete sentences. So that will be the answer. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Let's see what else. It does just study for the test, for the exam, next class. And I'll see you during class. Let me know if you have any questions. Adios.